this is the final result of my new flower top. Hi, I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. For this video, we will need 4 plastic bottles, entry cutter, scissor, wall color, acrylic color, glue gum and coloring brush. First, take the label out of the bottle. After that, in the big bottle, the lid of the bottle should be measured and curved. Then you will cut 3 bottles as you like. Since I am going to give the top the shape and insect, I made 4 legs with a lid on the bottle. I have applied the cover 4 with glue gum. Now I will paint 4 bottles. I will apply 2 coats of wall color to the bottle. First I will paint all the bottles white. When the white paint dries, I will paint the big bottles green and the small bottles yellow. When the paint dries, I will decorate the bottles. You can decorate as you like. Now to set it up, I have arranged the big bottle in the back, then the small bottle and finally the smallest bottle. Now you have to plant a tree if you want. You can plant money plant with water inside the bottle, or you can plant any other plants with soil. Hopefully everyone will try to make a top at home. It will make your garden more beautiful. That is all for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos. Take care. Tata.